We're gonna take a ride in this 24 Mustang that just came in, Grabber Blue. We're gonna see how this GT runs out. Here's the new 2024 Mustang, new dash. We're gonna see how this thing sounds. Boy, that's a fantastic sound in a car. Let's go for a ride. Oh, this is great. Doesn't get any better than a V8 Mustang. Here's the new dash. You can set this up, configure it any way that you want. You can even configure it to be like the old Fox body Mustangs. Yeah, this will bring a smile to your face every time you get behind the wheel. How much gas we got? We better go back.